In this lesson, I will show you how you create files and folders through the command prompt and how you name it. So let's start. So first, I will change the directory from the teaching directory to the desktop directory. Then, to create a folder from the command prompt, use the command make directory, and we type it like md, then followed by the folder name that you want to create. For example, here I will name it test, so we'll type test. So as you see, we have created the test folder. Also, you can create it by another way, the same command but with some difference. We type mkdir make directory, then we, for example, here I'll type it test2. So as you see, we have made another folder. To rename the folder to the command prompt, we use the command rename, and we type it like ren, then followed by a directory or the folder name that you want to rename. For example, here I will rename the folder test, so I type test, then followed by the new name that you want to name it. So I'll type here test new. So as you see, we have changed the old name to the new name. Also, we can change the folder name, the same command rename, but we type it completely like this, then followed by the folder name that you want to change, then we give the new name. So as you see, we have changed the name of the folder. So to create a file through the command prompt, we use a command called start. So for example, here I will make a file of notepad. So first we type the command start, then followed by the program of the file. So you want to create a file that's a notepad file, so we type notepad, then followed by the name of the file that you want to create. For example, here I will name it test file, then followed by dot, and extension of the file of the program notepad is txt. So we type dot, then txt, and press enter. It asks us, do you want to create a new file? You say yes. And as you see, we have created a file here. Also, if you want to create, like, for example, Microsoft Word file, you type the same command start, followed by the name of the program, then followed by the name of the file and the dot and extension of the program. So you type here. So as you see, we have created the file of the text notepad and the file of the Microsoft Word. And to rename the file, we use the same command rn. So followed by the name of the file that you want to change and its extension, and then the new name and with its extension. So as you see, we have changed the name of the file. So these are the ways to create folders and renaming it, and to create files and renaming them to the command prompt.